Hey, this Motel Granny the Great with another episode of the Hiccup Conversation. Another one. And this time I'm talking about a big one. It's called a control freak. A control freak will ruin a relationship in 2.2 seconds. Kids, if you see me smoking a cigar or smoking anything, don't do it. Okay, y'all big enough to not follow exactly what I do, but listen to what I say and critique it from the inside out. Pay attention to what I'm saying and not the props.
That's the latest from Ari Lennox.
But anyway, a control freak, man. A control freak will ruin everything. Another thing I've learned about control freaks is they don't realize they control freaks. They don't see it. They don't see it. I've been letting my hair grow. My hair is a lot longer than what it was probably from my last video. That's because this world is worrying me to death. Control freaks, the world trying to control. Relationship, women trying to control you. Men trying to control you. Only thing I notice is people not controlling themselves. They can't control themselves. If you tell somebody to fight the urge, fight the desires that you have, they can't do it. But they'll talk to you and tell you exactly what to do. Traffic is crazy. People just driving all over the place. That's a part of the hiccup too out here. Control freaks. Everybody want to be where they want to be, when they want to be there. But we're talking about control freaks. Does anybody ever try to control you? Try to tell you what to do? You better not try to tell them to do anything. You would think that they just told you to slap Jesus Christ in the face if you ever asked them or try to control them in any shape, form, or fashion. It's my old living quarters over there. My old complex, look at that over there. I don't know if you can see it. I used to live down that way, that's nice. To all my Mexican friends, what's happening? We're talking about the hiccup conversation and control freaks. And why do people want to control you? Is that what a relationship is all about? You want to be in a relationship with me so you can control me. Tell me what to do. Oh man. You all look like the type of person that can be controlled. Do I? I'm asking. I don't care about your past, what you've been through, and how you got through it. You could have been in a rodeo and could have been a cowboy or whatever. I don't care. That don't mean that you got a right to try to control. Nah, you don't. So all the control freaks, it's not gonna work. It's a hiccup. That's a real hiccup, you know? So I want you to know that's really a problem. It's not gonna work. So if you can help it, pay attention and find out, are you the person who tried to control somebody else? And if it's you, you need to stop it. Love y'all.